Can gold go to zero? Let's check it out. I checked out this video from Alux, and I thought it would be a good discussion topic. So let's check that out. Can gold go to zero?
Number 7. Buy and hold gold, silver, and gemstones. Okay, look, we'll be honest, we're not big fans of precious metals or jewels because, well, we think of them as antiquated, low-tech, and boring. We think there are better stores of value out there, but that's for another video. Yet, they do serve their role in the generational wealth journey. This is why your ancestors passed down jewelry from one generation to the next. The family heirloom, the gold bracelet, all jewelry is portable wealth. Today it's become a sort of flex or status statement, but it did serve a much more practical role back in the day. In case of any emergency, what did they do? They pawned off some of the jewelry, anything but go into debt. If you are one of the few who thinks the world is coming to an end and will go back to the old days, well, you might want to start buying some gold bullion or silver coins sold on the teleshopping networks.
So as we see here, gold is a good store of value. Stacking community and also the prepping community believes if you hold it, you own it. It's a good place to put your fiat. It protects against inflation. So when we talk about heirlooms, you can also pass it down, right? You can pass it down to your children, your grandchildren. It could be something they can remember you from, if it's a form of a ring. You know, some people wear a signet ring, diamond ring, as you mentioned, and also in the video, bracelets. So gold definitely is a good store of value that can be passed down to generations. All right, let's go check them out.
Outside of its use in computer chips, we don't really see gold or silver as something of great utility. People call it God's money because all the gold on the planet has come from meteors hitting the Earth's crust millions of years ago. But as we become a spacefaring civilization, we see no reason why gold would maintain its rare metal status. A 5-year-old is able to understand supply and demand rules. So if all of a sudden we have an abundance of gold available, its value will go to zero. Just ask the people in the Emirates what happened to the pearl industry when Japan developed artificial pearl farming and the supply became unlimited.
Interesting. Supply and demand. What was mentioned in the video, if you saw it clearly, it was talking about Psyche. Psyche is an asteroid that was found in 1852 by an astronomer named Annabelle Gasparis, and that was March 17, 1852. This astronomer was from Naples. It was named after the Greek mythological figure. It's a huge mass. It's said that it's the size of West Virginia. It appears to have a surface that is 90% metallic, and scientists think that these metals are mostly iron and nickel, but the dense portion of this asteroid is gold and platinum. All right, it says one estimate that Psyche is roughly the size of West Virginia and is worth, I've seen one article state that it was $10 quintillion, enough value to give everyone on Earth at least $93 billion. Now, this is being researched. It's a possibility that this can come into fruition, right? We have NASA and also ultra mogul. You have Elon Musk with SpaceX doing research about this asteroid as we speak. August 2022 of this year. So if this asteroid with all this gold, platinum, comes to Earth and is mined, it could flood the gold market, which would bring the value of gold to zero. Now, is it possible? Science is there. Now, one thing I want to bring up is that the ALUX video stated that gold only had value in the tech industry. As we know, that's incorrect. Even though in your phones you have about $1.86 in your iPhone of gold that's being used in order for it to work. Gold is also used in bullion and as money. Gold is also used in dentistry, jewelry business, but it's also used in spacecrafts, such as NASA used to go to do exploration. They use gold as one of the major metals. So gold has so many uses, important uses. I think that the value will stand, but if it ever floods as this asteroid with all this gold, it could be trouble for the gold market. It's a possibility. At that time, it can go to zero. Based off the research, based off the reading that I'll put in the description below, it said this process will take about 10 years. But NASA and SpaceX is right at it. They're looking to do some things. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Leave a description, comment below, and we can talk about it there. If you are in search of a coin ring, consider me. Check out my commercial.
Take pride in your stack and wear it. Johnson Toe is an American craftsman who could take your favorite coin design and create art that you'd be very proud to wear and something very special to share. JTCoinRings, handcrafts, handmade jewelry, especially for you.
Can go to zero. We'll see. Take care, guys.